Hi guys, it's Natalie. Welcome to my channel. How's everyone doing? I feel like I haven't been able to be as present as usual because I've been so busy, but I promise when I get back from vacation I know I've been saying that, but I'm gonna get back on track. But I know I'm looking crazy, halfway done, because we are going to be doing Boxycharm today. Yay! Who's excited for this month's box? I took a little sneaky peeky already. I'm not gonna lie. Boxy Bash we got. So yeah, it's Boxy's birthday. Who wants to sing Happy Birthday to you? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Boxy. Happy birthday to you. I'm so dumb. Okay, so anyway, here we are, Boxy's birthday, yay. This box actually looks pretty good. Totally started doing purple eyeshadow, and then I'm like, this isn't gonna match, but that's okay. Because I was thinking, because I'm gonna film like two vids, and I needed it for something else, and yeah, so that happened. But okay, we're gonna just dive right in. We are gonna dive in on the order that I use the products. So first things first, guys, we have, which I am really excited to try because I've never tried an eyeliner like this. The Pretty Vulgar Ink Gel Eyeliner retails at $24. This highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Cool. Its creamy and water-resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. And look at this. This is definitely the coolest eyeliner presentation I have ever seen. I absolutely love it. But it smells so strong. Maybe it's not that. Something in this box, I'm telling you, I could smell through the box. It has to be that. It was crazy when it was in my room last night. I could smell it. It was weird. And I think they sent brushes to use with it. Yeah, Aesthetica 3-piece eye trio. The Aesthetica Trio series comes with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush. A convenient 3-in-1, used for a wide variety of looks from a subtle wing to dramatic cat eye. Use the brow brush for fuller, more defined eyebrows. $45. Okay, well these better be some damn good brushes. Yeah, okay. This really did not say that this was... Who's gonna be doing eyeliner with this? You tell. This is fatter than my thighs when I sit down on a chair and they're smushed. This is crazy. Who... I just can't. I'm not using it. I just cannot do it. Spoolie. Okay, cool. Congrats. I have another spoolie. If I could get the tip off of this, I might use it, but it's... There we go. We're going to have to go... Oh! Oh, wow. Okay. This might be the only eyeliner brush like this kind that I'll ever like, because it's super stiff. So it would actually allow you to make maybe an okay line. So that's what we're gonna just try this out. I like to tape for my wings. Alright, let's try it out. I don't even care if my wings turn out bleh, I don't even care. I can't even see where the product is. It's so far down. Am I in it? Oh, I'm in it. Alright, let's go for it here. Okay, well, it doesn't work. That's great. You've literally got to be kidding me that this is the eyeliner. It's dried up. Now it's starting to work. Oh, I am totes loving this eyeliner brush. Okay, so I love the eyeliner brush. One wing's always better than the other. Story of my life. I am in love with this eyeliner brush. It is the only eyeliner brush I have ever liked. Like the only eyeliner brush assigned to actual eyeliner that I've ever liked. This, it literally says this is not a brow brush. This would be way too big. This is double the size of a brow brush, let alone. Okay, whatever. Maybe I don't understand stuff in life. I don't know. We're gonna move on. So we have a face brush that we will be using for the same brand. The P12 face brush retails for $27 with synthetic fibers that allows for maximum control. The P2 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. So I will be using this for, is this for foundation? It's just, is this a powder brush? Oh, I'm literally losing my mind. Just stop. Don't even make fun of me. Okay. It's for the powder. Okay. CoverFX Blurring Primer, $38. A lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. I can't wait to try this. And then let's just see the rest since we have to like figure out what's going with what here. So the next, PUR the Sculptor Palette, okay, which I'm excited to try this too. A 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. Oh, wow, they really have this tied up. Like, no one's getting into your sculpting palette. That's for darn sure. Oh, like highlighters. Okay. So we've got Trailblazer and Originator. They are so soft and buttery. Wow. And they're pretty. Very pretty. Mm-hmm. I usually like my PUR Cosmetics stuff. I really do. And they smell like heaven. Wow. They smell like chocolate. And then we have Inventor and Founder. Wow, these are like butter. Which I will be using Inventor. Okay. So we have those. Honestly, I guess I am going to use this for... Honestly, this is something I would use to just put powder on. But they don't give us powder. That's why I'm like, what do they want us... They want me to... Okay, whatever. And then we have a liquid lip gloss. Liquid lip gloss from Beauty Creations, $10. Beauty Creations matte liquid lip gloss is specially formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. Its lightweight application is long wearing for an effortless lip color that complements all skin tones. Okay, let's start with our primer. Whoa, okay. Just shot out at me. I've never used... Oh, this smells nice. We had that CoverFX setting spray, but I don't think I've ever used one of their primers, so I'm excited to try it out. So, feels very nice. Very smoothing, silicone-esque. I know not everyone likes that. I mean, it's a blurring primer, you know, so if you want to blur, you want to blur. And you want some silicone, right? Am I right or am I right? Got that on. What am I putting my foundation on with? You know what? I'm going to use a foundation brush. The primer is definitely doing its job, that's for sure. My pores like disappeared. Like I would say better than with Pores No More maybe. I can't believe I'm saying that, but I think it's true. I think it's true. Okay, so I got my foundation done. Next I am going to use this. I'm gonna use Inventor, and I'm gonna use it with this brush because I'm assuming that's what I am supposed to be doing. I never use brushes like this, but not bad. You know what? I'm actually loving this for like right up here because this is the exact kind of brush I kept saying that I needed to dust along my forehead with, so it didn't look so sharp. Okay. Oh, I like it. Okay. Okay, so I got the rest of my face done. I just popped on some lashes, a little bit of bronzer, a little bit of blush. I am going to use the highlighter, and I'm going to use the lighter of the two. So I'm going to go with Originator. I'm going to spray some Fix Plus. I would use the shimmer one, but I feel like that will take away from the purpose of us seeing what this highlighter is like. Okay, so I'm going to spray this. I love the coconut one so much. And then we're gonna just go in here. You know I like a lot of highlighter. You already know that. Do we like it? Yes, we like it. Yes, we like it. Nice and intense. Sure is. And then I kind of just go over it like that. That's just what I do with my highlighter. You might not like it. That's okay though, because I do. I do for these looks. So then pop a little bit on the tip of my nose. And I usually use this brush for this part, and then I just run it up my nose like this, kind of off to the side. And then I grab my little brush and I pop it in my inner corners, and if I want it super intense, I'll spray some more Fix Plus on it, on the actual brush, you know, and go about it that way. It's not my favorite inner corner highlight, but that's okay. And I run it along my brow line, focusing at the arch of my brow, and then there we go. And now we just have to pop on this liquid lip. Let's just see what it's like, even though it's not gonna match, right? That's okay. That's okay. Whatever. Oh, it smells like berries. Sometimes I honestly like, all these scents are nice, but I kind of prefer my makeup unscented. That's just me though. And then here's the liquid lip. Honestly, I'm not gonna even work on getting it perfect because I'm not a huge fan of it. It's okay. I don't know. I mean, yeah, I guess it's okay. It's just, I don't know. I'd have to give it a good old wear test, right? But I am a fan of, wow, I'm using randomly this Anastasia like discontinued concealer, and like I'm liking it. Like I just totally carved my lips out perfectly with that. Yeah, I know I gotta like go in there a little bit, fix it up, but I really was liking it. So yeah, this box wasn't bad. I really like the PUR palette. I like the primer. I had to use my Airspun powder, which I like, but I have to show you my new favorite setting powder, translucent powder. I sent it up to on vacation already because my friend left early, so I didn't have that. So I'm disappointed. I'd like to try it with that. I really like the eyeliner's okay. I'd have to try it out a few more times. And yeah, the sculpting palette and the brushes I like also. So yeah, this box was a win. I mean, they're always wins, I feel like, because with how cheap they are. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of it. And what products you liked and didn't like. This is like, I guess it's still drying. But it feels strange on my lips. I'm telling you, my lips are cooking. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I will see you guys in Maine. So yeah, see you in Maine. Love you. Bye. Oh wait, I totally forgot to do my thing. You guys know the drill. Totes subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Head over to my Instagram. Check out my giveaway, Cat Wendy right now. Here is the question of the day. Okay, I will do them both. But for next month, are we doing the Huda Beauty, the new palette that's coming out? Should that be next month's giveaway? And then the month after, we'll do Jeffree Star Quality. I could also do like 2 months of one and then 1 month of the other. Like, let me know what you guys want to see next or how I should do the giveaways, because I'm definitely doing both of them, because I'm like, I cannot believe Huda's coming out with a palette. I can't wait for it. I just can't wait. And it's coming out soon, right? Like in a couple of days, I feel like next week or something. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think, and yeah, all right, I'll see you in Maine. Love you guys. Bye.